In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start YouTube automation business for beginners who want to start but they don't have money to invest in video editor, voiceover, script writer, YouTube SEO, and so on. Okay, in this video, I will show you the method that you can use to start with $0. Yes, you can start with $0. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, this is my faceless YouTube channel, and in the last 90 days it made me $4,810 uploading just easy and simple faceless YouTube videos. So in this video I'm gonna share with you guys how you can start, not like others, like other people who just share with you the results. I will also share with you the method that you can use to make faceless YouTube videos. Okay, and I will share with you an example of faceless YouTube channel that is making a lot of money. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see over here, so let me show you how much I make per day. As you can see, it's sometimes $203 just from one single day. Okay, that's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. $133, $216, as you can see, even sometimes $434 just from one single day. Okay, in one single day. Okay, that's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. So I found this faceless YouTube channel over here. Okay, that's uploading videos about just easy and simple videos and getting, as you can see, this one for example 29 million of views. It's easy to make like those videos. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can make those videos. Look at, so for example, this one, 20 foods that have almost 0 calories. It's easy to make like this one. This one, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Those videos getting millions of views and of course making a lot of money. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, 14 tips to lose belly fat. This one is easy. All those videos are easy to make with $0. Okay, so for example, let's take this one, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Okay, so what you will do, you can see this channel. Let me show you the statistic of this channel. You can see this channel in the last 13 days, this channel got 10 million views. 10 million views, and of course it made a lot of money, at least 10k per month. It's at least this channel is making 10k per month. Okay, 10k dollar uploading just for videos. In the last 13 days this channel uploaded just 4 videos, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's take for example this topic, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Okay, so what you will do is you can go to ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT free version. If you don't have any money, don't worry, you can start YouTube automation. Okay, so go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here. I'm using just the free version, as you can see. Okay, so click over here and ask him make an engaging YouTube script about 10 tips to increase push-ups fast. Okay, so let's see this. It's the same. Yes, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Click over here and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script and will give you tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, and so on. Okay, so this is your title. As you can see, this is your introduction, and this is tip number 1, tip number 2, and so on. Okay, so what you will do now is you need to copy this YouTube script, and you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. Okay, so you can use your own voiceover. You can record this script, or what you can do, you can use AI voiceover. So let's copy this script. I'm gonna copy tip number 1 to show you like this. So what you will do next is you can go to Google and search for this website. Search for Play HT. Okay, search for this website, Play HT, and you will find this. Let me show you. Okay, let's go to Google. Play HT like this. Okay, this is the website. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do, click over here and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. They have different voiceovers: American voiceover, British voiceover, Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover, and choose which one you want to use. For me, so I will use this one, Joseph. I will keep it. Then put your YouTube script here. Okay, this is my YouTube script. Okay, so click over here on generate speech like this, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your script will be ready. Okay, it's easy and simple. Okay, so let's wait. Then after that we'll use another website to make the video, and this video will be done just in few minutes. Easy and simple, guys. Okay, so let me see. Okay, waiting for this to be done. It might take just few seconds. Okay, and here you go. So let's check.
The foundation of any great push-up is impeccable form. We'll break down the key elements from head to toe, ensuring your body is aligned for maximum effectiveness and injury prevention.
And here you go. What you will do, you will click over here and you will download this voiceover to your laptop. So now let's make the video. What we will use is we will use Canva. Okay, so go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video. Okay, scroll down, you can see video. Click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload. Click on upload file like this, and upload your voiceover. Okay, so this is my voiceover over here. Click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover will be over here, and click on add page. Okay, add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, so this voiceover is short. Let's go to, okay, let's add the tip number 2. Okay, I'm gonna add this one, tip number 2. To make it so we can create an engaging and professional video. Let's go back to this website, Play HT, delete this part, and they will record this second one. Okay, alright, like this, generate speech, and you just need to wait few seconds again, and this voiceover will be ready. Okay, then we will add this tip 2, consistency is key, and I will show you step by step how we can make those engaging and professional videos with $0. Okay,
like any fitness journey, consistency is the magic ingredient.
Okay, I will download this one here. Then I will go back to my Canva account, click on upload, and I will upload this the second one. Okay,
Like any fitness journey, consistency is the
this is the second one. Open, and here you go, your voiceover will be over here. So what you will do, you will click here, okay, like this, and you will add the second voiceover like this. Okay, your voiceover will be here. Click, okay, go and click over here on add page like this. Okay, then what you will do next, go to the first page, click between those two pages over here, and click on add transition. Choose which transition you want to add between your videos. I'm gonna add this one, for example. They have different transition. Make it to 0.3 second. Click on apply between all page, and here you go. What you will do now is you will click over here on element. Okay, click on element, search for push ups. Okay, push ups or push up. Click on videos, because this video is about 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast, and add videos about push-ups. Okay, click on the video, your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set video as background, click here, scroll left, or you can swipe left or swipe right, make it short. So make it short, add another one, you will add this one here, 3 points again, set video as background, make it short. Next page, I will add this one over here like this. I will make it short. I will click on the next page. I will add this one over here like this. As you can see, easy, simple, will take just a few minutes, and in the end you will have an amazing and professional video. Okay, but people doing push-ups, and you are telling them how they can increase their push-ups fast. Okay, we will add this one here like this. Next page, I will add this one over here like this. Then I will go to the next page, I will add this one like this. Next page, and I will add the last one. I'm gonna add this one here, and here you go. Okay, your video will be ready. So our video is now ready, as you can see over here. Okay, so let's check this video now, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. Okay, let's check.
The foundation of any great push-up is impeccable form. We'll break down the key elements from head to toe, ensuring your body is aligned for maximum effectiveness and injury prevention. Perfecting your form is like building a strong house. Get the basics right, and the rest will fall into place. Like any fitness journey.
And here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video just by using free AI voiceover and Canva. Easy and simple, without investing any money in services. Then you can go and start uploading faceless YouTube videos like this channel. As you can see, we made like this video, 10 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Easy and simple, just by using Canva. Okay, so after you finish, you can click over here on share, click on download, go and start your own faceless YouTube channel. I shared this method with you. I shared with you how we can create videos step by step. If you don't want to use AI voiceover, you can use your own voiceover. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, go to Fiverr or Upwork, search for voiceovers. You will find a lot of people there will record your script just for $5 or $10 and start uploading videos. You just need to give it a try. You will not invest any money. You will just invest your time, give it a try, stay consistent, and be patient. Improve your content every time, and you will grow on YouTube. You will make money. easy and simple. After your channel starts making money, then you can go to Fiverr or Upwork, search for good video editor and make better videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.